Hi guys, this is Liz. It's time to plant some vegetables for the fall/winter harvest. I added some cow manure to my soil. I'm going to plant seedlings to get ahead on the season. Or you may start your seeds indoors at least 6 weeks before planting. I have here Green Magic broccoli, Royal Marvel Brussels sprouts, and romaine leaf lettuce. The maturity day for this is 57 days after planting. This one is 115 days, and the lettuce is 21 to 75 days. It's ideal to plant my seedlings now because our temperature has lowered. We're no longer in triple digits, and I'm going to use both of these fertilizer. This one is high in nitrogen and the other one is high in phosphorus. This one, the nitrogen is 12, phosphorus is 5, 10 is the potassium. Nitrogen is 3, phosphorus is 15, 0 is the potassium. And I'm also going to use fish plant food. I'm going to loosen and turn the soil where I'm going to plant so that it be easier for the roots to grow. I'm going to bury the seedling up to here at the base of the first leaf so that the plant is stable. I mix equal parts of these two fertilizers, and then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon in each hole. Pat the soil firmly. The broccoli seedlings were planted, so I'm going to do the Brussels sprouts. The romaine lettuce is a part-shade plant, so it needs around 3 to 6 hours of sunlight. So the morning sunlight only, and no afternoon sunlight, but a shaded area in the afternoon. Our temperature here in zone 7B is still in the upper 90s. So I'm going to plant them in the pots and in a garden bed located in the northern part of my garden. So lettuce needs lots of nitrogen, which I have here 12%. Planted all the lettuce seedlings. Maybe this is a cauliflower, cabbage. I don't know if this head is going to continue to grow. Cabbage. Another cabbage there. Cauliflower. It would be nice if you can help me grow my channel by subscribing. Enjoy your day.